Hello, this is teacher Francis Omai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, I wanna focus on completing square method in solving quadratic equations. We normally say that any quadratic equation is always in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and in this case a, b, and c are constants. Now, having this, we can have a question. Let's say solve for x in x squared. Maybe you can put 2 here, x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, and then maybe you are told by completing square. Now, in this case, if you want to solve such a question by completing square method, there is one thing you have to realize. There is one thing we must realize in this case. We have solve for x. Yeah. Now, the first step is making sure that the number here is 1. That means, in other words, you are simplifying by dividing by all through. We have 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, and we divide all through by a. And that means we will have x squared plus 3 over 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. From there, we're supposed not to have a c here. The c is not supposed to be here, and that means we place it on the other side. And that means if we place it on this other side, we will have x squared plus 3 over 2x is equal to 3. The next step is now adding the c that we've taken out, and that means we have x squared plus 3 over 2x plus c, and we are both adding that constant on both sides, which is equals to 3 plus a constant. This constant that we've added here, we add on both sides. But now we normally say, but c is equals to b over 2 and then squared. Now, in our case, what is our b? Our b is equal to 3 over 2. That means c will be 3 over 2 divided by 2 and then squared, which is 3 over 4 squared. Now, having that, we replace the c with that constant that we've placed here, and that means we will have x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 3 over 4 squared is equal to 3 plus 3 over 4 squared. Now, we can just complete this side, and if you complete this side, we're gonna have x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 3 over 4 squared is equal to 3.5625. Now, from here, we just pick those numbers on the right hand side that has squared. And that means we will take x squared plus 3 over 4 squared, and with that we will have 3.5625 5, 6, 2, 5. The reason for doing that is because we can get the square root of this, we can get the square root of this one, and we can also get the square root of these numbers. For that, if we do square root on both sides, square root this side, square root this side, we will have x squared, no, not x squared now, it will be x plus 3 over 4 is equal to square root of that number is, the square root of that number is gonna be 1.8875. And because we've find the square root, now this one will be plus or minus. Now if we want to get the values of x, x will be one of them will be plus 1.8875 minus 3 over 4. In other words, we are taking this 3 over 4 to the other side, or x is equals to, the other one is the one that has negative 1.8875 minus 3 over 4. For that reason, the values of x are this one will give us 1.137, and the other one will give us minus 2.637. Now the values of x is equals to 1.137 or 2.637, and this one is negative. So that is all about completing square method. Maybe at your free time you can try x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. You can try out this one, and the answers are supposed to be minus 2. They are positive 2 and positive 3. Yeah, positive 2 and positive 3. Those are supposed to be our answers, and that means the final answer will be negative 2 and negative 3. You can try out that one, and remember to subscribe and share. God bless you.